I have a take that I might possibly get flamed for, but so here's the take. When someone acts confident about something, people will hate on the person, making them have low self-esteem. When they have low self-esteem, people will then proceed to cheer them up, but what if it's the same people who used to make fun of them? This rant might not reach to the audience I want, but sorry for not posting. I had no motivation. And my FYP is very common for this to happen. Anywho, Angelic rants out.